Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach, and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. We're given the system ax plus 3y equals minus 3, and 4x plus 6y equals 6, and we'll find which values of a make elimination fail temporarily versus permanently. And in the temporary case, we'll repair it with a row swap and solve. We rewrite the system as an augmented matrix so we can track pivots and row operations clearly. The first pivot, if we don't swap rows, is the top left entry. Elimination immediately struggles if the first pivot is 0.
We can't compute the elimination multiplier 4 over a when a equals 0.
This is temporary because we can fix it by swapping rows to bring a non-zero entry into the pivot position. Now assume the first pivot is usable. We eliminate the 4 beneath it using a multiplier m equals 4 over a. The key is what happens to the second pivot, the 2-2 entry after elimination. The second pivot becomes 0 exactly when a equals 2. That's permanent breakdown. We're already at the last row, so there's no lower row available to swap in to rescue the pivot. Let's see what the equations become at the problematic value a equals 2. The left sides match by doubling, but the right sides don't. Doubling minus 3 gives minus 6, not 6. So the system contradicts itself at a equals 2. That's why the matrix is singular and elimination can't finish. Now we handle the temporary breakdown case, a equals 0. A single row exchange puts a non-zero pivot, 4, in the top left corner. Elimination is back on track. Back substitute from the second row to get y. Plug y equals minus 1 into the first row to find x. So, the temporary breakdown is completely fixable, and we get a clean, unique solution. The big idea is that breakdown depends on which pivot becomes 0 and whether a row swap is still available at that step. And when no pivot hits 0, the system has a unique solution depending smoothly on a. Next up, we'll explore how pivoting strategies systematically prevent numerical trouble. Watch the next video to level up your elimination skills.